How to quickly transfer WhatsApp chats to a new phone without backup. So if you want to quickly transfer WhatsApp chats to a new phone without backup, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Go with the top right, which has that three dots icon, tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and go with the chats option. Under chats, you need to scroll down and then tap on transfer chats, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on transfer chats, now here it says transfer your chat history privately and have your most up-to-date messages without using your Google storage. Certain device permissions are needed to connect to your new device. So you just need to simply go with start. You need to turn on your location. So continue to turn on your location. Tap on use location and then go back. It will start preparing to transfer the chat history. Wait till it loads to 100%. And after that, it will give you a QR code or a scanner, right? You will have a scanner in your phone and you need to scan on the new device. So on the new device, what you need to do, just open up your WhatsApp on your new device. You need to register with the same phone number. Go with the arrow, which is on the bottom right, agree and continue. Go with the top right, which has that three dots, and go with the scanner. Now here you will get the scanner, right? Or the QR code. So you just need to simply scan the QR code from this device. And once you scan the QR code, then your history or your chats or everything will be shared from your old phone to your new phone. That's how you can quickly transfer your WhatsApp chats to your new phone without backup. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.